Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we write the cells in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, in this sample project, suppose this is a cell number E6 and E5 and we wanna just apply right field to this cell. So after selecting, we would just click on home and then in this editing group just click on fill followed by right. So as you can see, the left cell of that selected cell comes to the right of its position. Similarly, we can just select the multiple of cell, like here I'm selecting this one from C to I of row number 6, and after selecting we would just press Ctrl plus R. So as you can see guys, the first left cell is filled to all the selected cells. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.